Hello, Molweni, Tumelang, Sanbonani. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm gonna be reviewing a soapy that plays on Mzansi Magic every day at 7:30 called Genesis, guys. So apparently, there's war at Genesis between Revelation and Genesis. Yes, it's between Gabriel and Felicia, of course. Divorced husband and wife. So apparently, Gabriel leaked the tapelo of which is Maruna's album on the internet before Genesis even made an approval to actually release the album. So as you can see, guys, Felicia is warning Bonko, giving Bonko warning ways of like, okay, we know that it's Gabriel, we acknowledge that, but at the same time, let's not forget how Gabriel is. Gabriel is very dangerous and has mind games, of which I do agree, guys. Yo, Gabriel has been on their necks ever since he left Genesis. He wants the downfall of Genesis so bad, and these guys keep on fighting it. Moving on, guys, as you can see, Felicia is putting up a picture of her late husband on the wall and removed the family picture that involved Gabriel on the wall, put it down, put the picture of her late husband that she invented Genesis with on the wall, and Noah seems unhappy about it. Now Noah was questioning integrity. That is Felicia's late husband's integrity more important than Gabriel, of which Gabriel is Noah's father. Hey, that made the kid unhappy, I won't lie. So there was a bit of a squabble and a war between mother and son. And apparently Felicia felt guilty about that because Noah is understanding the fact that she's not a Tabete. So apparently the person that married Felicia is not Noah's father. But I just do think that like Noah does not really understand the tension that is happening within the family, even though he does, but he doesn't really understand the tension that is happening and how Gabriel is actually playing his cards towards Genesis, the Tabete family, especially Felicia, because they were actually married. So, guys, a lie detector test took place at Genesis Records. This was to find out the truth and dig out the truth of who is working hand in hand with Gabriel that leaked Maruna's album. So, the people actually arrived at Genesis Records to actually like do a lie detector test to all the staff members, the employees of Genesis, as you can see in the picture. They all are standing under one place, panicking. Some were really anxious. As you can see, there was a part where Msizi was really like, okay, now it's time. And I do feel like Msizi is actually guilty for working hand in hand with Gabriel. So a lie detector test took place, you understand. So these guys that were working at Genesis letting Msizi know, it's going down. There's a test that needs to happen. Felicia confronts Gabriel. Threats keep on popping, and Felicia is telling Gabriel that she is not done with Gabriel. She's not done with Gabriel. So it's war. Gabriel, just a chill guy, mind games, is telling Felicia that if she dares comes at him, it's gonna be a sue or a lawsuit regarding defamation of character. So apparently Gabriel will report Felicia for defamation of character. Hey, that's crazy, guys. This war never ends. Because Gabriel wants the downfall of Genesis. Also, Felicia wants the downfall of Gabriel. So, guys, as you can see on the picture, Ishmael confronts Unokuthula, which happens to be Ishmael's mother. So, apparently, Unokuthula, she has been found recently because they were looking for her. So, Ishmael is demanding for the truth, guys. Nothing but the truth from Unokuthula, which happens to be his mother. Ukuthi kwenzakalani in his young era times, how was he born, the lifestyle, what did she do when he was about to be sent to Home Affairs, who's the father, how did the father pass away, and so on. So moving on, guys, Ubonko receives a notification message regarding marketing sales of Ditapelo. which is Maruna's album, and it's not looking good, guys. The marketing sales do not look good, and apparently they say it's the first time this happens to Genesis, because Genesis is actually, like, in the story, a huge record label for artists. So Maruna is not even like getting marketing sales. And the worst part is Bonko was the producer of the album, collaborated with Maruna, orchestrated features, had to go to studio sessions and work together. Back to Noctula and Ishmael, guys. This one is sad, really sad. Now, Noctula had to explain everything that happened when Ishmael was young. So, Baba Ishmael neglected and abandoned Ishmael. And then Unoktula and Baba Ishmael apparently divorced. So Unoktula is letting Ishmael know, his father did not want him. So they had to divorce, and Unoktula had to become a single mother. And then Ogogo Ishmael's granny was ill and then got sick. So Mama Ishmael had no way but to send Ishmael to Home Affairs. To social workers, I mean. That's crazy. Very, very sad. Hey, Gabriel continues with the mind games, approaches and confronts Maruna to brag and cook up, interrogate Maruna regarding the marketing sales, because it's not looking good there. And Gabriel emphasizes that if Maruna signed with Revelation, none of this would have been happening. Maruna would be cruising nicely with streams, the marketing sales, the royalties, because Maruna isn't getting paid. Lie detector test takes place, guys. As you can see, the staff members, Maruna was also included in the lie detector test to testify if she leaked the album or not. So you can see, guys, as you can see, the workers are actually asking questions if they are ready to be honest regarding the leak, because Gabriel is behind the leak. You get me? But I haven't found like the full sources of Gabriel, but it looks like Gabriel is behind the leak, guys. I mean, guys, it's obvious. So these guys were called to be questioned by these lie detector tests people. You get me? Even Bonko, the producer, was involved, and apparently no one said yes. Everyone said no. But personally, guys, I do think this guy in the picture is the one who has a hand in actually like orchestrating the leak, because obviously he has been working hand in hand with Gabriel. I mean, it's crazy, guys. A whole producer that is in Genesis works with the CEO of Revelation to leak an album that is in Genesis Records. Make that make sense, guys. Make that make sense, guys. I mean, Mrs. is fueling tension. I won't lie, bro. I won't lie. So, this connection, I don't know, guys. These people continue having chemistry over and over again, but they can't keep business as usual. They just keep like connecting and connecting and connecting, guys. You understand? Because remember, this is former husband, former wife, up until Maruna messed it up by actually sleeping with Gabriel. I ain't gonna speak much about this. Noah goes on war with his mother again regarding the situation that happened earlier on regarding the picture up on the wall. So Felicia made it straight that Noah mustn't disrespect her or question her. So Felicia stood on business here, disciplining Noah, telling Noah, you don't get to question me. You must never question me. That's not how it goes. And by the way, I see it. I think Noah has come to his senses to see that, oh shit, oh damn, I was wrong in this whole situation. So they disciplined Noah, guys. Felicia had to like call Noah to discipline him. Ishmael makes it clear, guys, the only person that's important in his life is Noctula, because Ishmael doesn't want anything to do with Noctula, of which is Ishmael's mother. Why do I keep like Pambanisa ring Noctula and Nobuhle, guys? But yeah, that's the story. As you can see, guys, Ishmael is speaking to Sandra Sake, of which happens to be his girlfriend, telling his girlfriend the only person that matters in his life is Nobuhle. And you could see by Fetula love and the pride that Nobuhle has for Ishmael, guys. This is actually real, very real. Moving on, guys, as you can see, Bonko has my gut feelings now. Like real gut feelings. This is very deep. So he told Msizi Ukuthi there is someone cooking something with Gabriel behind the scenes. Because Gabriel was involved in messing up Bonko's marriage one. Gabriel was involved in drugging Ishmael and messing up Ishmael's performance. So Umsizi and Gabriel have been working hand in hand to actually like destroy Genesis. And Umsizi is under threat because Gabriel was the one who actually hired Umsizi and is paying Umsizi at Genesis. Maybe I can say was. So now Bonko has gut feelings. He has this feeling of Gabriel is actually destroying Genesis because Gabriel even took Basitsana from Genesis and signed her to Revelation Records. And you can see, guys, from Cece's face that like, hey, this guy is actually like scared. Yeah, well, he's very nervous about the truth because he was also behind destroying Genesis, destroying Ishmael's career at that time, and also leaking the album. I don't think Msizi leaked the album, but I think he has a hand because Gabriel was the mastermind. So the mastermind had to send Msizi to actually work with him, you get me, and fish everything or observe everything that's happening at Genesis and then cook up everything and be Gabriel's informative person. So that's where it ends, guys. Make sure you tune into Genesis 7:30 Mzansi Magic, guys. Let me know what you think is gonna happen. Let me know on the comments how you find this review. But for now, salute. See ya.